Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching Bernadette from ShanB Fluid Art. An amazing artist, just a super lady. If you haven't checked out our channel, please go check it out and hit that like, share, and subscribe. We're super happy to have you on the Express with us. After her, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. All right, so today, as you see, I've got 2 cups. I'm gonna do 2 flip cups, I think. I've got some colors out here. I'm just gonna play some music and fill the cups and let you guys watch.
Lately I've been going through some hard stuff, getting knocked down, getting right back up. Only mistake I made was thinking you would have my back, but it's one-way track. That's right, now I've had enough. Your bad behavior isn't what I'm worth, no, that's right. Now I've had enough. You don't see it, but I see it. Taking out your problems all on me, forgetting you have a responsibility. The way that you don't care cause your anxiety isn't reason enough to be acting so rough. That's right, now I've had enough. Your bad behavior isn't what I'm worth, no, that's right. Now I've had enough. You don't see it, but I see it. Stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing.
Yeah.
It's another chance. Pretty people holding hands, uplifted by the night, the way that it should be. Can't let it slip away, 'cause this might be our final summer day. There's a heat wave, there's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a heat wave
All right. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. All right, guys. I am gonna bring you down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon is Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. After her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Don't forget, if you missed our very special guest, Bernadette from ShanB Fluid Art, please go back and watch. The same with Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Everyone here is just absolutely amazing. All right, guys, I love you. I hope you have a great day or great night, wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.